Number 1. 1974 Dodge Charger Convertible, $10,000, Palmdale, California. This 1974 Dodge Charger Convertible is a rare mid-70s American muscle car with strong character. Powered by its original 318 cubic inch V8 gasoline engine and an automatic transmission, it runs and drives and is currently registered with a clean title. Showing 187,130 original miles, it is in fair condition overall. The body is straight, the brakes function properly, and the manual convertible top and interior are acceptable. It will need general care, but it is far better than most projects at this price point. A fun and aggressive classic with solid potential. Number 2, 1986 Volvo 240DL Wagon, $6,500, Mar Vista, California. This 1986 Volvo 240DL Wagon is a well-maintained classic known for legendary durability. Powered by a 4-cylinder gasoline engine with rear-wheel drive and a manual transmission with overdrive, it runs and drives very well. The odometer shows 556,828 miles, but is not currently working. Finished in silver with a clean title, it features IPD suspension upgrades, a sport exhaust, factory Libra wheels, turbo appearance trim, tinted windows, and working power locks. Extensive mechanical work has been completed, and the original interior remains in excellent condition. A true enthusiast-owned Volvo. Number 3. 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, $13,500, Eastvale, California. This 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Coupe blends classic luxury with muscle car performance. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 gasoline engine and an automatic transmission, it runs and drives well and carries a clean title. It features power steering, power disc brakes, dual exhaust, a cowl hood, bucket seats with a center console, rally wheels, and LED headlights. Built in Van Nuys, California, the car has a straight, rust-free body with solid original floors and trunk. The older paint shows wear, and the registration is non-operational, but it remains a fun and solid driver. Number 4. 1972 Plymouth Duster, $11,500, Norwalk, California. This 1972 Plymouth Duster is a simple and dependable classic well-suited for regular driving. Powered by a slant-six gasoline engine with an automatic transmission, it runs well and has a clean title. The odometer shows 24,439 miles and has rolled over. It features new upholstery, new carpet, all new glass, front disc brakes, and good overall paint. Minor rust is present in the trunk and lower quarter panels. Overall, this is an honest, ready-to-drive classic with proven reliability. Number 5. 1978 Lincoln Mark V Coupe, $12,500, Colorado Springs, Colorado. This 1978 Lincoln Mark V Coupe represents the height of late 70s American luxury. Powered by the legendary 460 cubic inch V8 gasoline engine and an automatic transmission, it delivers smooth, effortless cruising. Showing 97,000 miles, it includes power steering, cruise control, and the original quadraphonic 8-track audio system. The air conditioning has been converted to modern refrigerant, and LED headlights have been added. Minor paint flaws and interior wear are present, consistent with age. As the final year for the 460 engine, this Mark V is a desirable luxury classic. Number 6. 1971 Ford Country Sedan Station Wagon, $13,500, Denver, Colorado. This 1971 Ford Country Sedan station wagon is a rare and distinctive classic equipped with a 1964 tote motel camper, powered by a 400 cubic inch V8 gasoline engine and an automatic transmission. It features air conditioning, cruise control, front disc brakes, an AM radio, third row seating, and a dual tailgate. The odometer shows approximately 25,000 miles and has rolled over. Recent service includes a rebuilt carburetor and a new fuel tank. The camper adds unique vintage appeal, making this a standout family and adventure wagon. Number 7, 1979 Chevrolet Z28 Camaro, $15,000, Montrose, Colorado. This 1979 Chevrolet Z28 Camaro is a long-owned performance classic with serious power potential. Owned by the same person since 1990, it features a heavily modified 408 cubic inch small block Chevrolet gasoline engine paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission. Performance upgrades include aluminum cylinder heads, a competition camshaft, headers, Flowmaster mufflers, and a Positraction rear end. The body shows rust and dents and will need brakes, tires, and a windshield. The floors are solid, providing a strong foundation for restoration or performance use. Number 8, 1985 Ford F-250 XLT regular cab long bed, $9,900, Brainerd, Minnesota. This 1985 Ford F-250 XLT is a solid classic diesel truck with strong fundamentals. Powered by a naturally aspirated 7.3-liter diesel engine and an automatic transmission, it starts and runs well, but does not currently drive due to a transmission issue. Showing 65,804 miles on the body, it has been garaged since 2019. The body and frame are approximately 95% rust-free. A parts truck is also available, making this a good restoration or repair candidate. Number 9, 1975 Ford Torino, $11,950, Granite Falls, Washington. This 1975 Ford Torino is a clean and well-kept mid-70s American classic. Powered by a 400 cubic inch gasoline engine and an automatic transmission, it runs excellently and carries a clean title. The odometer shows 71,644 miles and has rolled over. Finished in medium blue metallic, with a new vinyl top and a white decor interior, it offers comfortable cruising and solid performance. A well-presented example of classic Ford styling. Number 10, 1988 Chevrolet IROC Camaro, $8,000, Puyallup, Washington. This 1988 Chevrolet IROC Camaro is a strong running performance driver with cosmetic needs. Powered by a 5.7-liter tuned port-injected V8 gasoline engine and an automatic transmission, it runs reliably and shifts smoothly. Showing 143,000 miles with a rolled-over odometer, it features T-top roof panels, power accessories, upgraded audio, and a high-end bare brake system. The body and paint are rough, and the engine burns some oil, likely due to valve seal wear. A solid driver with strong performance value. Number 11. 1969 Oldsmobile Cutlass S Convertible, $19,000, Frisco, Texas. This 1969 Oldsmobile Cutlass S Convertible is a bold, custom classic with strong visual presence. Finished in yellow with black racing stripes and custom wheels, it is powered by a 350 cubic inch Rocket V8 gasoline engine and an automatic transmission. It features custom headers, a floor shifter, and a built-in kill switch. Showing 60,000 miles with a clean title, over $35,000 has been invested in upgrades. Minor rust and unfinished details remain, but the car is solid, strong running, and highly eye-catching. Number 12. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle, $13,500, Concord, California. This 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle is a solid project car with desirable factory features. Powered by a gasoline engine and an automatic transmission, it shows 100,000 miles and carries a clean title. It includes a factory black interior, heating and air conditioning, front disc brakes, and a 12-bolt rear end. The floors and trunk are solid, with minor rust near the rear window and lower cowl. Suspension and steering upgrades have already been completed, making this an excellent foundation for restoration or customization.